Hello. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of our course to help you find those resources that are going to help you be successful here. The first thing when you first get onto the landing page here, you want to scroll down to see the class announcements. This is going to be especially important for you to to look at daily because it's going to tell you what assignments are due and when they lock down. The class plan on the left-hand side here also tells you what assignments are due and when they lock down. The other thing that you want to do is come to content here, and this is where all your reading and assignment links are. Under the course materials, you'll see important information like the syllabus, teacher contact information, grading policy, but also if you miss a class and you need to watch the recording and get the slides from that class, you can come here to the Class Connect schedule and links. We also have how-to documents if you need help on any of the features of this course. The other things that we have here are we have flashcards and study guides. The flashcards are obviously to help you with the vocab because we do have a lot of vocab here. And the study guides kind of give you a summary of the unit. The word wall here also helps you with that vocab. So it's an interactive word wall. When you click on it, it gives you words that you can click on to find their definition and pictures to help you with that. And then under here, you will see all of our units. Currently, we're in Unit 11, so I'm going to use this to show you how to navigate the unit here. So here, you'll see that this unit is broken down into all of the different lessons. You'll see it on the left-hand side as well as in the middle. And for each lesson here, you're going to see pictures and summaries to help you with each individual lesson. We also have the vocab at a glance here. When you click on that, you can get definitions of all those important words in that lesson. You'll also see steps involved here. So the first step that you're always going to see is the reading assignment and any extra activities that may help you, like videos or games and stuff like that. The other thing what you're going to see here is you're going to see multiple steps where these are your assignments that you're going to be completing. So this one is our limiting factor lab / TDA, but you'll also see things like TYKs, which is our quizzes, and also our unit test here. So with the unit test, you'll see the little resources to help you study and then the actual test links here. If it's blacked out, that means that this assignment is not open right now, and it will have a clickable link when it is open. The other thing is grades. Grades is something that you want to make sure that you're checking on a regular basis so you can see where you're at each period. If you see a 0 under your grade book, that means you did not complete that assignment and it is overdue. When you go under tools here and you go under assignments, this is another area where you can actually submit assignments or download the assignments. But also you want to come here because after I grade an assignment, it's going to give you an option to check feedback. You always want to make sure you're checking that feedback so you know that, one, I got your assignment, and also see how you can improve for future assignments. So that's basically the main parts of our course here. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I am looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.